Recently, a client asked us to repair the seam in his granite counter. He said that his contractor had previously ground it flat and was unable to blend the finish to the rest of the counter. Under closer inspection, we can see the few problems that need to be corrected. First, we can see the stripe where the abrasives were used by the previous contractor and not feathered properly into the existing finish. Second, we can see some major waves in the center and near the sink. We can usually make these better, but they may not come out completely. You will see at the end of this video that the wobble in the reflection is greatly reduced. The third issue is that the seam is actually not level. If you look closely at the right edge of the seam in this video, the previous contractor did not smooth the surface completely, and that could have contributed significantly to why he failed to return the area to the polish of the rest of the countertop. Please subscribe now to support this channel. You can find an expert at granite polishing, seam polishing, and granite repair at sureshineservicenetwork.com. The link to your nearest member is in the description. And the SureShine Service Network is growing. We would love to have you. If you want to join, please send me a message. The first step is to define the damaged area that you need to remove and choose your first abrasive grit. In the past, I have erred on conservative side when choosing an abrasive because I didn't want to cut too deep or cause too many waves. We have three issues to tackle in this repair: the abrasive strip, the waviness, and the seam still being uneven. The uneven seam is the largest issue requiring the most material removal. If we choose the abrasive for the uneven seam, we will likely solve the other problems. We are cutting pretty deep on the lower grits, so to reduce waves that we put in the stone, we need to move the cutting area out slightly each time we pick up the machine. In this case, I sanded the surface 3 times with my lowest grit, so I have to expand my area slightly so that I am not cutting too much off and creating more waves. For more detailed information on how to perform this service and other granite repair services, please check out the granite repair class at stonecareedu.com. A link is in the description. As you can see, with each successive grit here, the area becomes larger. This is because we have to overlap the edge of the previous grit by approximately half the size of the next grit to make sure that we fully remove the scratches. A smaller overlap is possible as we become more advanced in this skill. We are now to the polishing part of our repair. We are using MB20 polishing paste with a white pad at low speed on our Makita 9227C or 9237C. There are several other videos on my channel showing this process. There's no need to apply pressure, just let the MB20 do the work. It may take several applications to achieve the shine that you want. Make sure to blend with the existing surface and polish everywhere around your repair so it looks the same. MB20 is a permanent mechanical granite polishing paste, so the shine will not wear away. Pay attention to the halo around your repair area where the shine transitions from your repair to the existing surface. You may need to polish this area several times to bring the crystals back to the perfect shine you are looking for. When working around adhesive, that's that seam area, you want that to feel level with the surface of the granite. Be careful not to heat it up too much with your MB20. MB20 works well when buffing dry, but adhesive can be affected by the heat. Use the heat in areas that you still need to pop from your highest grit. Be patient. You won't regret it. Here is the look at the repair area from a different angle. As you can see, there is only a slight bend now in the shine where we had those major waves. The seam is flat and the abrasive stripe from the previous contractor is no more. This customer was thrilled. This is the result that you can expect from a SureshineServiceNetwork.com member. Contact a SureShine Service Network member today to discuss your repairs. We are here to serve you.